It was the first day of class in January 2020.
Welcome
to this Phin faculty preview.
I'm excited to talk to you about it.
We're going to do some learning.
After my talk today, you're going to want to diversify
How we get from words on a page.
Why Florida is so important in presidential elections.
We've been trying to answer this question since the 1800s.
Visual storytelling and the power it has on humans is anything but new.
That define the value of freedom.
Welcome to my course.
I look forward to any of your questions.
One of the key things you do in epidemiology.
Professor of Sociology and Criminal Justice.
Doctor of Philosophy.
Education.
Professor of Communication.
Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences.
For Jacksonville University in the film program.
I can't wait to meet you.
But until then,
Thanks for watching.